Quran says in Surah Ma'un, chapter number 107, verse number 1 to 7. أَرَيْتَ الَّذِي يُكَذِّبُ بِالدِّينِ فَذَلِكَ الَّذِي يَدُعُّ الْيَتِيمَ وَلَا يَحُضُّ عَلَى طَعَامِ الْمِسْكِينِ فَوَيْلٌ لِلْمُصَلِّينَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ عَنْ صَلَاتِهِمْ سَاهُونَ الَّذِينَ هُمْ يُرَاءُونَ وَيَمْنَعُونَ الْمَاعُونَ. That seest thou not the person who denies the day of judgment and deals the orphan with harshness and encourages not the feeding of the indigent. Woe to those who are neglectful of the prayers. Woe to those who pray only to be seen of men, who do not even provide neighborly assistance. The Quran says that woe to those people who do not even provide neighborly assistance. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad said that he is not a Muslim who sleeps with his full stomach while his neighbors are hungry. That means any person who sleeps with his full stomach, that means had a good meal, while his neighbors are hungry, is not following the commandments of Allah and His Rasul.